So welcome to today's wellness walk. It's, as you can see, it's a grey day. It's actually quite cold here in the garden. You can probably hear in the background St Mary's School, which is just behind us. They're still at school. We're just standing now on our main lawn, and in the background there are the bee borders. We've got our Mediterranean beds here, and then here on our main lawn is the Yoshino Cherry, which is in full blossom. There's currently a family there just having a picnic, and it's just absolutely stunning, even on a cloudy day. So we'll just go in close and have a look at some of the blossom. You can see it's absolutely laden, heavy with it. And actually, I think if you go under here, it's beautiful just under the canopy. Looking up. And then we've got a little bee. Just busy collecting pollen. So this is actually one of the most popular spots in the garden for people coming to take selfies. It's Mothering Sunday on Sunday, and again it's another really beautiful and popular site. And obviously a lot of people are at home and self-isolating and not going to be able to visit, so again we just thought this would be a really lovely opportunity, hopefully for people, if you can't come and visit or get out to see the cherry blossom around you, that you could just come and, well, this is a way of bringing these amazing flowers to you. And a lot of our plants have labels on them. The Yoshino cherry is called the Prunus yedoensis. And then here next to it we've got another cherry blossom. This is actually a champion tree. I'll find the label. So this is our cyclamen cherry from China, one of the champion trees, which means it's one of the largest specimens. It's quite hard to capture the colour against the sky. This is a really pretty pink. And then in a week or two, all the blossom will literally just fall, and there's a carpet, like a confetti, all around the bottom. So hopefully we'll be able to come back and show you that in a week or so's time. And then now I'm just going to take you through our Mediterranean garden and onto the rock garden to the lake, and then that will probably be long enough for our wellness wander. So we were thinking that for those people who aren't able to get out, would start posting some regular walks around the garden to share the sights and sounds of spring. And we hope that's going to be a virtual escape for anyone at home. So this is just a trial. Please let us know what you think and the sort of things that you'd like to hear and see. Here in the Mediterranean garden, obviously the prime time is in summer, and the smells here are just amazing. But it's really vibrant at the moment with these lovely acid green euphorbias that are just dotted around the garden amongst all the herbs. And again, this will really spring to life over the next few weeks and coming months. There's a forsythia bush there, just glowing in the distance. And this is our limestone rock garden. We've got a few hellebores here which are just finishing flowering. Again, hellebores are actually very shy flowers, as a lot of you know. They tend to hang their heads, so it's difficult to really appreciate the beauty of them. And these have got their seed pods. This is a really shy one. You can come under. It's really very beautiful. And there's our cherries again in the background. Flowering cherries. We've still got people wandering around because we're currently open to the public, and we hope to stay open for as long as possible. We've got 40 acres of gardens here, so there's plenty of room for people to come and stay safe and enjoy the outdoor space. Again, some really bright euphorbias in the background there with the rock garden. Over in the distance, that's our main walk, and obviously here we've got the lake. Which is very quiet. Usually the ducks around here and moorhens. Today it's very quiet, but it's got some beautiful reflections. And so I'm just going to end today's walk over by our beautiful magnolias. We've got a collection of magnolias here with 3 different colours, and they're absolutely stunning. Got some lovely daffodils here as well. We just have these in drifts around all areas of the garden, particularly the perimeter, and then lots of lovely primroses as well. So we've got primroses growing just around the base of these magnolias. You can see let's zoom in and try and show the raindrops here. I don't know if you can quite see them on the camera, but they're speckled all over this beautiful magnolia. If we had a blue sky, the flowers would show it much better. But this is the lily tree, Magnolia denudata. I'll just find the label. Ooh, there we go. And then I think we'll end on this absolutely shocking pink, which again struggle to get the actual deepness of the pink. This is Magnolia vulcan, another garden origin. But again, the flowers on here, you can see them at just a really gorgeous deep pink colour. Let's hope another day the sky's bluer and it should be easier to see and stand out. So as I say, this is just a trial to see if this is something that our virtual followers will enjoy. So please let us know what you think. Post in any comments the sort of things you'd like to see, whether you'd just like a quiet to walk around so you can actually hear the sounds yourself, whether it helps to have so much narrative, and what sort of length you'd like these walks to be. And we'll try and start posting them as regularly as you can. So thank you for joining me on this walk. From everyone here at the Botanic Garden, we hope you stay well and stay safe, and we'll bring you another wellness wonder soon.